Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you can take screenshots in Windows 10. So let's begin. There are two ways to take screenshot in Windows 10. The first way is to use Snipping Tool. See this tool. You have to open it and then you have to click on new. So it will now take a screenshot of the selected area. Let's take an example. I will use my YouTube channel for the screenshot. You have to just choose the selected area for the screenshot. See, the screenshot is now loaded. And if you want to take the screenshot of your whole window or your whole screen, you can also take screenshot by clicking on new. And then you have to click here instead of selecting the part of your screenshot. It will just take the whole screenshot of your window or screen. And you can save your screenshot by simply clicking on the save button. You can save it as PNG, JPG or GIF file. I will prefer you to use JPG or PNG file format because that are the best file formats for your images. And you can rename your file name if you want. And now you have to click on save for saving your image. The screenshot is now saved. You can now close it. And the other way to take the screenshot in Windows 10 is to use your keyboard. You have to just type the shortcut Windows plus Shift plus S. And then the Snip and Sketch tool will appear on your screen. This is the same tool which we had used on the first method. You have to just do the same for capturing your screenshot. After you had captured your screenshot, this type of notification will come. You have to click here. See, this is the captured screenshot. And if you know any other way to take screenshot in Windows 10, then you can comment about that on the comment box. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share.